What's up, fellow used BMW owners and mechanics, fellow YouTube viewers? This is my 2012 BMW X5 xDrive 50i, and this is the second BMW that I've owned. I previously had a 2012 128i, the coupe with the convertible. So the reason why I'm doing this video is because on both that vehicle and this vehicle, I've had the common BMW misfire, and that trips in the computer. And this is a simple video just to share what's happened for me and what little things that were helpful for me. So I had all of the spark plugs removed and the coils removed and replaced, all of them replaced, and it did a world of a difference in helping me reduce the amount of times that the computer would trip on the misfire. So instead of paying thousands and thousands of dollars to get your turbo replaced, or maybe get something else replaced that any mechanic shop is going to charge you thousands of dollars to do, a cheaper alternative would be to first start with the spark plugs and the coils, go from there. Before, when it would trip, before I replaced the coils and the spark plugs, I would often have the reduced power, and now it trips. It does say that there's the reduced power, but I don't feel the reduced power, so I still have full power, even though it says that there is reduced power. So anyhow, I hope that helps. I'm not a big fan of BMWs, at least not used ones that have been poorly maintained by previous owners. I love the looks of BMWs. I love the performance, as long as they are well maintained. I just not a huge fan these days. So anyways, I'm going electric next year. Hopefully this. Have a good day. Peace out.